fuzzy, foggy, too much humidity. So I want to show you what she's doing here. One cleaning lady, she's doing a very good job. Oh, it's foggy again from the humidity. See, she's cleaning. Very good. See? All up there. Scrubbed. Because I thought it was raining again. Look at that, humidity just keeps coming. So I thought it was raining out again, because sometimes it rained really deep last night. And I thought maybe it was raining again. Sometimes you get little showers later in the September. But no, she's doing a really good cleaning of the floors on the upper balcony of the rooms here on block 44. I'll show you block 44. And now she's doing the stairs. And she'll be probably doing the main floor in a bit. Block 44. Let me clear that again. Block 44. Cleaning really good. See, this is what I love about block 44. She does a really good cleaning every so often. This is the first time I've seen her doing it. She may have done it in the past when I wasn't here, but this is the first time I've seen her do a really good cleaning of the exterior of the doorway to our rooms. So just wanted to show you that briefly, because like I told you in a previous video last year with the block 42, they weren't doing a very good job. But yeah, one lady doing all the rooms, and she still has time to do the exterior really good with lots of water. Looks like some soap in there, because I could see some bubbles. Obviously I didn't give you a really good thorough look at the bubbles or the water on the floor from where she's scrubbing, but you could see that she did some cleaning. I will do another video right after this of showing you how clean it is after the fact. So post video once I'm done dinner here, lunch. Ciao for now.